Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to open MKV videos, so VLC. Just go to Play Store, click on the search icon, then on the search bar write VLC for Android, click install. Now we just wait a little bit. Okay, and it's done. Now just click on open, next, allow access to manage all files, and it's done. Let me just restart it. Skip, okay, allow. Thanks for watching. I hope I helped you. It would be really nice if you could subscribe to our channel. Bye and see you soon.